Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable messages spam protection in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the phone app. Click on this, you can see this at the right corner, settings option. Click on settings, go to unknown numbers identification, and you can see this report and identify unknown numbers for calls and messages. Just enable this option and your spam protection for messages is enabled. It will show if there is unknown number is messaging you, it will show as a spam. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.